In this video, I will be demonstrating a NEPI software automation solution that uses a quadcopter drone with an integrated pixhawk autopilot system and camera module, both connected to the NEPI device. I've logged into the NEPI automation script library folder on the NEPI user storage drive and copied all the automation scripts for this demo from my example library folder. Next, I'll start the drone inspection demo startup script, which launches all of our script primitives that together control the drone to move to a number of fixed GPS coordinates and collect some data, then return home. To view the data collected during the mission, I just need to navigate to the data folder on the NEPI user storage drive. You can view both camera and location data files that were collected at each of our drone inspection points during the mission. Hopefully, this gives you an idea of how easy connecting and automating drone systems is using Numurus NEPI AI and automation software. To learn more about NEPI and Numurus, AI and automation hardware and engineering services, visit numurus.com.